I heard about this. The city folk who will bet on anything.
You had any action?
Don't look like it, does it?
Cadillac, Camaro. You really know how to pick them, don't you?
Are you a gambler? I said I was lucky. You wouldn't believe the things people do when they're down, upside down.
What you doing?
Something I can't tell you. So we're not dead yet type of thing. You know, it's hard enough to stay healthy in this town.
That was the blonde guy who found me. Makes me an offer. I guess it showed on my face.
I'm a devilish guy. Got a keen eye for despair. What's it gonna be? Play.
All right, here's the story. 7 games, 1 night. All these folks here bet on you. Your business is winning, and that's cash in your pocket. Only one of you is gonna make it to the end. You play the first game, and you play the last. Or you do not play. I know you're wondering, how are they doing this? Well, folks, we're the gambling types. You the bets.
Does anybody know what's really going on here?
Here, get flush and stay that way.
10 grand don't mean that much to me. Maybe I just as well cash out right now.
You heard it from the lion himself. It's all or nothing, people.
Game's still on.
They're killing us, sir.
Of course they're killing us.
I'll kill you myself right here, right now.
You used to tell me stories about people. People that come to your town and make your whole dreams come true.
Look at my wife here is why I didn't come home tonight.
Well, yours is not a happy home. You haven't got a dog that loves you.
You better have something better than a bullet.
I know y'all played this one before.
I'm gonna live forever. At least until I die.
This can be such an exciting night.